Hello dear students, good day. Today we are going to study about hyperbola. So what is hyperbola? It is the locus of the points which are giving I'm making one condition. See over here, this point I'm saying P, so pf2 minus pf1 remains same. In one focus to another focus we are going via hyperbola, then the difference of the distances remains same. That is said as hyperbola. Whether you are going like this or this way also you could go. So this will be q point, I'm saying it will be equals to f1 q minus qf2. So the collection of these all the points is known as hyperbola. Now for hyperbola, this is said as vertex on the major axis or transverse axis, vertex on the major axis or transverse axis. In the ellipse also we know the coordinates of the vertex are a0 and this minus a0. Focus will be having coordinates c0 minus c0. Here also we will be having a relationship between a, b and c. So it will be c square will be equals to a square plus b square. In ellipse it was a square equals to b square plus c square. In hyperbola it is c square equals to a square plus b square. The equation of the hyperbola is when the major axis is x-axis, in that case it will be x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equals to 1. This is the equation of hyperbola, x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1. Then it is asked to us that we need to find eccentricity of the hyperbola will be c upon a. And one more thing, latus rectum, a perpendicular line drawn on the focus is known as latus rectum. So length of latus rectum is 2b square upon a. These things are same as they were in the ellipse, but keep in mind in this case c is greater than a, therefore e will be greater than 1, whereas in ellipse e was lesser than 1. Somewhere I am trying to compare it with the ellipse also. Now if we are going for the hyperbola for which major axis is y-axis, vertex, focus, so equation will change. It will be y square upon a square minus x square upon b square equals to 1. This is the equation of hyperbola when major axis is y-axis, but relationship between a, b and c will remain same, that is c square will be equals to a square plus b square. Eccentricity will be same, it will be c upon a. Latus rectum, length of latus rectum will be same, 2b square upon a. So these all the things will be same. Now see, the vertex will be 0a 0 minus a, focus will be 0c 0 minus c. Right now the transverse axis is x-axis, whereas in this case transverse axis was x-axis, in this transverse axis is y-axis. Conjugate axis in this case is x-axis and in this case conjugate axis was y axis. So these are some of the key points which we need to remember. Now I am taking one question for it. See, now we are taking a question. It is x square upon 16 minus y square upon 9 equals to 1. So I could say it is x square upon 4 square minus y square upon 3 square equals to 1. That implies us a equals to 4 and b is equals to 3. Now what all we need to find? We need to find the coordinates of the focus. So first of all we need to calculate c. We know that c square equals to a square plus b square, that is 4 square plus 3 square 16 plus 9. So c square is equals to 25. That implies c equals to plus minus 5. So coordinates of the focus lies on the major axis or the transverse axis. So coordinates of the focus will be plus minus c 0. C is plus minus 5 0 are the coordinates of the focus. Coordinates of the vertices are plus minus a 0, that is plus minus 4. A is 4 0. These are the coordinates of the vertices. Then we need to calculate eccentricity. Eccentricity is c upon a. That implies e equals to the value of c is 5 upon a is 4. So eccentricity is 5 upon 4. Then last thing it's asked to us length of latus rectum. It is 2b square upon a. That implies 2 into b is 3 square upon a is 4. 18 by 4, 9 by 2 or 4.5, whatever you want to write you could, but this is the length of latus rectum of the given hyperbola. Same ways, if I am doing this question number 7, then vertex is given to us 2, that is a is 2. Focus, that is c is 3. So I could calculate b also. B square equals to c square minus a square. We know that c square equals to a square plus b square. So 3 square minus 2 square, that is 9 minus 4. B equals to plus minus under root 5. Now equation we need to calculate. In this case equation of hyperbola will be x square upon a square. Why x square upon a square? Because focus lies on the major axis and that is x. So x square upon 2 square minus y square upon under root 5 whole square equals to 1, or x square upon 4 minus y square upon 5 equals to 1 will be the equation of the asked hyperbola. So this was the topic. Now you need to try to solve the questions. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.